Sometimes these gnarly cut-offs from the mill actually have really nice pieces of wood underneath them. I just gotta cut them down and to expose them. This one turned out pretty good. Really nice grain. A little bit of staining on this side because it came through the bark. I'm just throwing it back in the pile, and I just let this stuff weather outside and make projects out of it. This piece is actually going to be for a pasta board, for somebody to make their pasta on the table. And it's got that weathered edge, which is my favorite edge, and I think this thing turned out great.